Geese are a type of waterfowl that belong to the family Anatidae, which also includes ducks and swans. They are found all over the world and are known for their distinctive honking call, as well as their webbed feet and broad, flat beaks. Geese are migratory birds, which means that they travel long distances between their breeding and wintering grounds. They are typically found in the Northern Hemisphere, with some species breeding as far north as the Arctic Circle. The migration of geese can be quite spectacular, with large flocks of birds flying in V-shaped formations. There are several different species of geese, each with their own unique characteristics. Some of the most common species include the Canada goose, the Greylag goose, and the Barnacle goose. The Canada goose is one of the most well-known species of geese and is found throughout North America. They are large birds, with a wingspan of up to 6 feet, and have a distinctive black head and neck, with a white chin strap. They are known for their loud honking call, which can be heard from a long distance away. The Greylag goose is a large species of goose that is found in Europe, Asia, and North America. They are similar in size to the Canada goose and have a similar plumage, but have a reddish-orange bill and legs. They are known for their loud honking call, which is similar to that of the Canada goose. The Barnacle goose is a small species of goose that is found in the Arctic and subarctic regions of Europe, Asia, and North America. They have a distinctive white face and black head and neck, and are known for their noisy honking call. They are also known to be quite aggressive during the breeding season, when they will defend their nests and young from predators. Geese are herbivorous and will feed on a wide variety of plant material, including grasses, grains, and aquatic plants. They are also known to eat small invertebrates and fish, particularly when they are in the non-breeding season. Geese typically mate for life and will form large colonies during the breeding season. The female will lay a clutch of 2 to 8 eggs, which are incubated by both the male and female. Once the eggs hatch, the goslings are cared for by both parents and will remain with them until they are fully grown. Geese are known to be very protective of their young and will aggressively defend their nests and goslings from predators. They are also known to be very vocal and will use their loud honking call to warn of potential danger. Geese are considered to be a valuable resource by many cultures and have been domesticated for thousands of years. They have been used for their eggs, meat, and feathers, as well as for their ability to control pests such as insects and weeds. They are also used as hunting game and used as watchdogs. In recent years, geese have become a problem in some urban areas, where their droppings can create sanitation problems and their nests can block stormwater drains. In these areas, geese management programs have been implemented to reduce their populations and minimize the negative impact they have on the environment. Overall, geese are fascinating birds that are known for their distinctive honking call, their migratory habits, and their protective nature. They are an important part of many ecosystems and have played an important role in human culture for thousands of years.